Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bit.ly Ditly Houseplans. In today's video, we are setting up my Clean Mama routine for the month of March in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for March, the focus is going to be spring cleaning. I have here my Clean Mama's Guide to a Clean Home. I will show you on the inside what it looks like if you haven't seen this before. So the Clean Mama system, there are 5 tasks that you do daily. They're the daily 5, and it's make the beds, wipe the counters, check the floors, tidy any clutter up, and do a load of laundry. So that's what you do each day, Monday through Sunday. And then there are a set of weekly tasks, and the way that Clean Mama outlines it is you do bathrooms on Monday, dust on Tuesday, vacuum on Wednesday, wash the floors on Thursday. Friday is a catch-all day, so you can do anything that you didn't get to previously in the week, or maybe do one of the rotating or monthly tasks. And then Saturday is sheets and towels. Sunday, there isn't a weekly task that's meant just to do the daily 5 and kind of have a day of rest and family time. And then we also have rotating tasks. So there's different tasks that rotate throughout the year for each month. And so for March, it will be vacuum baseboards, spot clean furniture, do the living and dining room light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe switches, phones, remotes, spot clean walls, and wipe down appliances. And then, as I mentioned, the monthly focus for March is spring cleaning. So you'll declutter, which is clear surfaces and lose anything you don't use or love, clean surfaces, dust and or clean all surfaces, light fixtures and lamps, dust and or clean all light fixtures, lamps, and shades, window treatments, dust and or launder window treatments and blinds, clean and fluff, rotate, flip mattresses and clean pillows, blankets, and bedding, clean floors, thoroughly vacuum and wash all floors, clean most touched areas, wipe handles, light switches, knobs, doors, remotes, and phones, and then deep clean carpeted areas, wash windows, wash doors, wash baseboards. So that's pretty heavy duty. I have a little bit of a hectic schedule in March with work and some things with the girls, so I don't know that I'll get to all of these, but I might get to some of them, or I might not get to all of the windows, but some of the windows, like that kind of thing. So I just use this as a guide, and I do the best that I can, friends. So I'm going to flip back to the daily 5 here and put that to side. And then what I have here is I pulled some leftover washi from a Fern Creek stickers kit. This is kit 110. I think I used this either last year or the year before. So I took the washi and I split it in half because it has little clovers on here, kind of an ode to St. Patrick's Day being in March. And then I have here some Planner Kate basic labels that I use to do a label for each of the weeks in the month. I also have all of my Saya Planning Clean Mama scripts. So we've got daily task headers, and then make the bed, wipe the counters, check the floors, declutter, the laundry, and then I have tidy up too. So I'm going to use up all the declutters, and then I have a tidy up script, and then more daily tasks there. And then the weekly tasks. So my weekly tasks I do a little differently. So here's the header. So I have sheets and towels for my Monday. I empty the garbage on Tuesday because our garbage pickup is early Wednesday morning. I don't do anything on Wednesday and Thursday because that's just middle of the week. It's really tough for me with work and Sophie and everything. So I dust on Fridays and I empty the fridge. And then on Saturday is when I vacuum and mop. So I kind of double up since I don't do anything on that Wednesday and Thursday. And then Sundays, it's just scrubbing the bathrooms. And then I had Saya do custom scripts for watering the plants and scooping the poop. So cleaning up after Otis in the backyard. So those are the weekly tasks. And then I have headers for the rotating tasks and the monthly tasks. So since those change out every month, I don't have like scripts for each of those tasks. Okay, so I am going to start with, I pulled these little icons from Planner Kate too, because I thought this would be cute. I wanted to use one of these little buckets on this side, and then because it's green and it goes with my kit, I'll leave the other one as is, but I wanted to kind of do this cute little bucket here since it's spring cleaning. And then I'm going to start putting down this washi. So I feel like I did pretty good with February. It was the kitchen. I did actually turn the self-cleaning oven on, so my oven's nice and clean. Gosh, that self-cleaning oven function is so nice because I set it at night after dinner and let it kind of run. I think it was a 4.5 hour cycle that mine has. And I woke up the next morning and I just took a damp cleaning cloth and wiped it out, and it just so shiny. It's so nice. It's like brand new again. This is cute. I love using up my leftovers. That was one of my goals this year, was to try to really tighten up on my budget. I'm still ordering new kits, but maybe not as much as I would have. So I'm trying to, because now I've got like a couple years worth of leftovers that I hate not using them up. And so that's what I'm really trying to focus on. And I think this one, I'm going to do the opposite and go pink here. And we don't really do like a big deal for St. Patrick's Day. So here's this little icon. I'm going to leave that one, the spray bottle, because the green I think looks good with this kit. So I don't really purchase St. Patrick's Day specific kits. I did this one year when I bought this one, but I don't think I have like a specific one for this year. I'm just gonna put this down here. Okay, and then let's go ahead. So that's exciting. I used up most of that washi. And now I'm gonna put the weeks down. So we have the first week here. I can't believe it's already March. So this is my birthday month. It's March 1st. It's Wednesday night when I'm filming this. So yes, I will try to celebrate my birthday all month long because my birthday's not till the end of the month. So I kind of feel like that's an easy excuse. Like if my birthday was at the beginning of the month, I think it would kind of like lose its appeal to keep celebrating. Okay, so there's that. And then one more. So there we go. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm gonna put down all of my daily tasks headers. It's been so busy with work, and I had a couple weeks there because I was traveling for work where I didn't quite get everything done like I had planned, but I have caught up now. So I find that if you kind of keep up with the Clean Mama, like now that I've done it for a full year, maybe a year and a half is when I started this, it's easier. Like it's more like maintenance now. Like all of the deep cleaning, like you kind of have done it once, so it's just, as long as you keep up with everything, it's so much easier. So okay, so now I'm putting down these daily 5s. I'm going to do a week so you can see what it looks like. Wipe the counters, check the floors. So for me, we have a lot of hardwood floors. That's what our house is, mainly hardwood with some area rugs. So I will go through like with the broom and just kind of sweep up any visible debris that I see. If I had a cordless stick vacuum, I would probably run it over the rugs real quick if I needed to, but we don't. So the rugs kind of have to wait till the end of the week. And then these are my extra stickers here. So that's what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll put the rest of these down and then we'll come back. Okay, friends, so I finished putting all of the script downs for the daily tasks. So there's the 5 weeks. And then I have this little Erin Condren stencil, and I use all of these little boxes here to do my check boxes. And let me just show you. It's really simple. I love this little stencil because it actually fits really, really nicely here. And so I have a check box for each day of the week. Just like this, and then I'll go all the way down. Okay, so there you go. That's what the week will look like. So I'll go ahead and I'll finish putting in all my little check boxes for the rest of the weeks, and then we'll come back. Okay, friends, so that's the daily tasks. I've got little check boxes for each task for each day of the week. And so then now let's talk about the weekly tasks. So one of the things I figured out early on was that just based on my schedule and because I work outside the home, it didn't, some of the way her outline of the weekly tasks was, it just kind of didn't fit. Ooh, look. Down to the end there, I have another sheet though. I have a backup sheet, but I do have to order some more of some of the other scripts. So let's put these down. And then what I do is, I'm going to show you how I do this. So I will put like just the first letter of the day of the week. Okay, so that's Monday through Sunday. And then, like I said, for me, Mondays are sheets and towels. I just put these here, and then what I do is I put a little plus, and then I empty the garbage, like I said, on Tuesday, because our garbage pickup is really early on Wednesday. And then nothing on Wednesday and Thursday. And then dusting, and I empty the fridge out on Friday so that it's nice and empty, cleaned out of leftovers and all of that for when I do my grocery shopping on the weekend. And then I vacuum. I just like to vacuum and mop on the same day, like one right after the other, just because once the floors have been freshly vacuumed, I like to go ahead and run the mop over them just so that they're all clean all at once instead of separating that out. And then Sunday morning I'll wake up, scrub the bathrooms first thing because that doesn't take long at all. And then water my plants. Though I haven't had to do any plant watering outside because we've been getting so much rain. And scooping the poop. And I make Otis come out with me so it's like he's doing his chores. Okay, so that's what the weekly tasks look like. I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of the weeks out and then we'll come back. Alrighty friends, so now I have all of the weekly tasks laid out Monday through Sunday, and I just check off as I do them. Have everything laid out here. So then down here now, we're gonna look at the rotating tasks. I'll go back to those. And these ones, like I said, because they rotate, I just write them all in. I'm gonna put this up above a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the book out. So again, for March, we're vacuuming baseboards, spot cleaning furniture, doing the living and dining room light fixtures, washing rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe switches, phones, remotes, spot clean walls, and wipe down appliances. So I'm going to go ahead and write these in. Sorry, I have to turn the book a little sideways. I'm going to put a cover under here because it's a little lumpy, but I have to turn it sideways because I'm left-handed and trying to get the angle right for me. It's kind of a challenge. Okay, vacuum baseboards. I will say vacuuming has become such an easier task and I get through it so much faster now that I finally have a nice vacuum. I have the Dyson Animal Ball something or other, and then I purchased a Dyson fixture or like accessory to go on the hose part so that I could do my wood floors, because I didn't like running the big vacuum over my wood floors. I just didn't feel like I was getting into the kind of the nooks and crannies very well. So with the new like vacuum head that I have, it's perfect. And because it's the right equipment, I feel like I get through the vacuuming a lot faster. Oh my God, I hate vacuuming too. And it used to take me forever with my old Bissell vacuum, so it's much better now. I don't hate vacuuming quite as much. Switches. I wipe my phone down like almost every day at work because we have these little wipes and I just use those when I clean my glasses, and so I just wipe my phone down too, so that stays pretty pretty clean, especially because, you know, you're putting it up to your face or whatever. Wipe down appliances. And I did a lot of this in February because the focus for February was the kitchen. Okay, so that's the rotating, and then now let's put the monthly tasks down. And I'm gonna, right here, let's see, going to March, spring cleaning. So I'm just gonna put kind of this header here, kind of the focus. Okay, so then, and I just put the main header and then just reference back to the book. It's harder for me to write when there's no lines. I'm sure I won't be very straight. I have to have Scott help me with the light fixtures because the ones that are hanging up from the ceiling, I can't reach them even if I step on a stool. And I would have to bring the big ladder into the house, and I just don't want to do that because it's like, it's an outside ladder. Window treatments, clean and fluff. What are we cleaning and fluffing again? Oh, mattresses. Yeah, that's a good one to do. Clean floors. And then clean most touch surfaces. And then last one is deep clean. I'm gonna go like this since I have the room, and I'm gonna say carpet, windows, doors, and baseboards, which is already over here. We're vacuuming them, so we'll wipe them down. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much the base of the month. And then I went ahead and I pulled my cute little stick babes, my Happy Planner stick babes, because I noticed in here there's this little girl here with a little clover. So I thought I would put her down. Let's see. I kind of want to put her in the middle of the page here. And then I'm going to pull another one on this next page. There's the same little girl. She's a little smaller. And I thought, let's put her down here. Maybe we'll put her up here because I thought she was so cute to go with the clovers. Okay. Alrighty, friends. I think I've got everything set. So again, daily tasks or the daily 5, weekly tasks for each of the weeks, and then the rotating tasks. So these are what I'm doing in March, and then the monthly focus for March is a general spring cleaning. All right, I think we're good, friends. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.